4 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup hot water and instant yeast. We will now mix sugar into hot water and mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast powder and mix well. Keep stirring for 1 minute because the yeast need to get mixed really well. We will now cover it and keep it aside in a warm place for 10 minutes so that bubbles are formed. For preparing the dough, I am taking maida in a large bowl, adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, mix well. After 10 minutes, as you can see, nice froth has formed in the yeast mixture. Now we will add this into maida. Mix it well. Now we will add some warm water and knead the dough. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and mix it again. The dough is now ready. We will cover it and keep it in a warm place for 2 hours for fermentation. Here I am taking grated mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Take 1 big ball of pizza base dough. Now dust the ball with dry flour on both the sides and start rolling. Because we have added garlic powder and salt, the pizza base taste will come out to be amazing. Once the pizza base is rolled, take one dokla plate, grease it well. Now we will put the pizza base onto this greased plate. Stretch from sides. Now take 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. Spread it evenly onto the pizza base. Now let's put grated cheese on outer rim of pizza base. Once we have put it, we can adjust with the help of a spoon. Bring it to the extreme corners. Now we will start folding. Press it gently towards the corners. Now we will start putting the veggies. Here I am taking green, yellow and red chopped bell peppers, chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped jalapenos and black olives. Let's top it up with grated cheese. I am using Amul cheese cubes. Now we will sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. It's ready to go into the tandoor. Now I am putting this dish into the tandoor. We will bake it for 5 minutes. I am baking the pizza into tandoor. You can even use OTG. Your mouth-watering cheese crust pizza is now ready. You can top it up with little more grated cheese. Enjoy with your friends and family.